Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be doing some battery maintenance. That's going to involve checking the battery's voltage, removing the battery from the motorcycle, placing the battery on charge, reinstalling the battery, then demonstrating how I'd give the battery a jump start. The tools I'm going to be using are a 10mm ratchet, a jump starter, a multimeter and a battery charger. Let's do it. Okay, I'm going to start by removing the cover protecting the positive terminal. I'm now going to set the multimeter up to 20 and then negative and positive. I have a reading of 11.69. The minimum is supposed to be 12.7, so this is going to need a charge. I'm now going to remove the battery. I'm going to start by unclipping it. And now, using the 10mm ratchet, undo the terminals, starting with negative, and then positive. And then simply remove the battery. I'm now going to place the battery on a low charge for the 12 volts. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Okay, I'm now going to reinstall the battery. Refit the strap, which is, I find, easier to do with a screwdriver. Reinstall the terminals, starting with positive. This should be torqued to 4.5 Newton meters. Now the negative terminal. Okay, it should be ready for a test. Back in action. I'm now going to demonstrate how I'd use the Noku to jump start my motorcycle. First of all, connect the crocodile clips to the terminals. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Turn the Noku on and simply fire her up. If you liked that and you want to see more, Don't forget to like and subscribe.